This particular model of wheeled excavator is a ZX 140W 5B. It's a wheeled excavator, commonly known as a rubber duck. The blade is always forward. That's the arrow. These wheels steer it. Got jacks at the back which work independently. Right, let's show you. Everything else is the same as a track machine, how you operate it. Let's just get up. Much higher than normal. Right, so you've got steering wheel, conventional levers. There's the key on. Code in. Activate it. You've got a little button down there. So you can pull the steering wheel towards you. Right, this is your foot brake. Accelerator, which works. All this is exactly the same as a track machine. Right, your forward and reverse is here underneath this lever, like so. Neutral, forward, reverse. That's your brake. And then your front wheels. There's, see the jack there. Independent suspension on the front. This here locks it like that. Or you can have it on auto with this button here. I don't use it like that. All this is exactly the same. This is fast track on a track machine, but does the same and brings it up to about 35 miles an hour. Right, dead man switch, same way, but this kills everything. Hit that like that, kills the body. That's how you work your front blade, and it works off this lever. I'm going to switch it off, I'm going to switch it on. Front's like that, look. Or you work the rears, or work them both, if that's in the middle, or rears, left, right. You can see four-way flashes. That's when you're on the hammer. Instead of using that, you can switch this on and use it as a alarm, lifting alarm, and yeah, so basically one important thing to remember is when you're driving forward, obviously the steering wheel is like a car. Turn it left, it goes left. Like forward, take that off, hit the forward, away you go. Like that, look, you turn the wheel left, the wheels turn left. So now when you turn right round, so you're now facing backwards, the steering wheel, obviously everything works the same, but the steering wheel now, to turn left you have to turn it right because it's obviously working in the opposite direction. But yeah, they're both, there's the horn over there or there. Never bang that. That's your indicators, like a car there. High beam, light switch down here. There's your modes, automatic rev thing, or you can. Where is it now? There's a manual, yeah, for the accelerator. When you're driving along, this either does it automatic, or you can work it off that, or off the accelerator like that. Yeah. Have it on automatic, radio, aircon, and your iDrive, whatever it is. Go into your settings, radio, work mode, tachymeter or speedo. Well, yeah, all that there is the same as the track sheet. All this. But the only thing that's different is the steering wheel, this column, and the forward reverse button here, and your lucky suspension there, front suspension. It's quite important. If you're lifting, you know, if you've got a bucket full, it will lean over to one side if you ain't got this locked. I don't tend to use the jacks. You see someone get on the rubber duck, use the jacks all the time, they obviously are scared or not confident. Alright, so you drive the rubber duck. Handbrake on. So we got neutral. So you're driving a Hitachi rubber duck.